Innovation Design Studio, or IDS, is a new STEM and computer science special that began in the Radnor Township School District in the 2021-2022 school year. Kindergarten through 5th grade students have IDS for 50 minutes once each rotation. IDS teachers also have collaboration time built into their schedule in which we connect with classroom teachers in order to support integration of technology and STEM into the classroom with their curriculum.
So we spent a lot of time trying to figure out what our mission statement would be.
We've centered on the passion statement, creating solutions to meaningful problems by exploring, designing, improving, and sharing.
We want to give students an opportunity to be creative, explore, to design.
To fail forward almost in their effort to solve problems.
With our students, we are really trying to focus on the 4 C's.
Collaboration, communication, critical thinking, and creativity.
All of our activities really try to encompass those skills.
Communication helps in IDS because we gotta talk to our partners to see how to build it and how to program it. I love coding. You can have fun with it. If you're creative, creativity has no limits. There is an app called Scratch Junior that you use to code, and it has all these different types of backgrounds and characters. We use Dash robots to do different experiments, like the most recent one, we made catapults.
Some of the applications we use may seem like a game at a glance, but they are engaging programs that help students learn foundational coding skills of sequencing, loops, and the important skill of debugging, which is finding and fixing problems in a program.
They're not even thinking about computational thinking. They're just thinking about how do I make this work? They're problem solving. Into middle school and high school, having that foundational understanding, I think it'll make a big difference for them.
In our computer science unit, students also have the opportunity to program robots, starting with more basic models with our youngest learners and advancing to robotics with more capabilities for our older students.
STEM and computer science, again, those are our main focuses in IDS. And STEM obviously promotes curiosity because we're trying to draw from things around them. So for instance, we were talking about with our 5th graders, highway redesigns. If we were to travel to a sports game in Philadelphia, what it would be like at 5 o'clock during rush hour, and what are ways that we can try to help solve some of those problems.
One of the main reasons that STEM and computer science inspire curiosity and exploration is because there's not one right answer. Even when developing an algorithm to complete a programming task, there are a variety of solutions. This allows students to apply their creativity and challenge themselves.
So in 4th grade, they had an opportunity to redesign a student desk. They were able to go through the entire engineering design process. And then there was an accessibility piece, which was, I think, a really nice part of our project. And the students really had to think in an empathetic sort of way. And so they came up with just amazing ideas.
Our kindergartners, they had to help Rapunzel get out of her tower. It was a really cool hands-on activity, didn't require any tech, but then they had to design it and build it themselves.
All right, so Rapunzel's gonna jump into the elevator and then it can slide down. Nice job.
IDS is really fun. You should try it. I love it. And it's a time when you can work together with your friends and just have a lot of fun in school. I would describe this class as fun, and you can do a lot of different things with it, so it's one of the coolest classes in school.
RTSD already had a strong STEM program in the middle and high school level, so we're excited to add this program at the elementary level.
Overall, this has been just an amazing year. The beginning of this program, from September to where we are now, it has grown and the excitement has grown.
There's so much more for us to do, and that can seem daunting, but the next stage is going to be really exciting for us and for all of our schools, because we're going to be able to start integrating more STEM into the classrooms and to help empower teachers to feel like this is something that isn't just isolated to this classroom, that it's something that we can all participate in. And we have big plans, and I'm just excited to start seeing them come to fruition.